Hi, today I'd like to demo a sort of Psuedo DEVIN. And as you can see here, this is having a Linux Unix UI like one. And you can perform every Linux perform operation. See our current path, we have root, see what's folder, cd to test, check root, and we are at test, ls, we have nothing, and we could go back to our root. Yeah, so that's a simple operations, and let's come to the main point of this. So here you can ask for I tell me a joke. And this is a terminal which interacts with large language model. And let me show you the features on the next part of the video. So no, the continuing video. So let's go more specific, like ask what is the current stock of Apple. It will give us a report for stock information in regards to Apple, and it will also give us the template of the investment potential assessment and all of the information we needed to. So let's say I want to know some of the stock in Vietnam, for example. Let's say ask what is the current stock of Vietnam milk, and yeah, it will give us the stock for the current today for Vietnam milk and their assessment for it. So I want to know the weather for tomorrow and also for today in Edmonton. As what is the weather in Edmonton? I'll say here, and it will give us the current weather for Edmonton. This is freezing cold, and I'm currently living in it. I want to know what's the weather forecast for tomorrow. As what is the weather Edmonton? Let's say Feb on Feb 8, and it will give us a forecast for tomorrow. So let's say I want to know what's the weather in Vietnam currently. So I know what's my family doing in that weather. If it's cold, they're gonna stay home, and if it's warm and humid, they're gonna go outside. So let's say that's what is the weather in city. And we got 27, which is really cool, and it's currently in the morning too, which is perfect. So let's go into the main features of this implementation. So the main features that you can perform code debug and also code creation inside the terminal. So let's say it's currently ls, we have nothing in our current root. So let's just make a code, for example. Let's go code Python, and we got make me a code to print hello world in hello.py. Okay, so it's currently going, and yeah, you got an output. This is already being executed, and this is the main part of the code. So let's check whether they exist. They do exist. That's pretty good. So let's play a little bit trick here. So I would like to go to my environment. This is the code just recently created. Let's just do some tricky here. And let's go for pint hello world. Let's try to run it. Let's check whether that's being updated on this cat hello pie. So cat is not being implemented yet. Cat's supposed to be. You'll be able to edit the file yourself, but currently I didn't make that part yet. So let's say cat hello. So how about I just want to say python to hello.py. Let's see whether the code run, but even though it's pretty buggy right now. And yes, it's being auto fixed. Let's check what it's currently looking like. And yes, they are being fixed. Let's check for this. Yeah, they just being reverted and they put it on the same folder. And yeah, that's technically all of the implementation for now. This is on a really easy example. So for the future plan, I want to make an app like take a note for me, make a note taking app. That's why the program input is being put here. So for further future development, I will put like the input spot in this, and then furthermore, I could make like a small app that a code that could just run a whole app on it itself. So yeah, that's just basically how the implementation going for now. So thanks for watching.